Okay, so we're trying to look for how do we define a unique record on the order table. So what I've done here is I've order entity, sorry. So and then here's a table to represent that order entity. So I've got each attribute is in a column, and each record is in a row. So you can see there's one record here. There's several records in here for one order. So if I've got the date is 12th of 8th here, and Dave took the order for Green Egg College, and it's an egg salad, and there's 3 of them. And then this one we've got same date, so it's the same order. Okay, so that's what we've got so far. Now how do I make sure that I've got a primary key on here? So what we look for is the things that are the same and the things that are different. So with the order, I've got date, order taken by, company name. So what are the important elements here? So I need to know that on that date, this particular date, 12th of the 8th, 2016, that the Green Egg College placed an order. Okay, so my key fields have got to include the date, and my key attributes have got to include the date and the company name. So those two have got to be together. But there are lots of those. So I've got 12th of the 8th, Green Egg College, 12th of the 8th, Green Egg College. So that's not unique. So, but if I add to it the product code, then that becomes unique, because 12th of the 8th, Green Egg College, egg salads, and then there are 3 of them. 12th of the 8th, company name, ham salad. Okay, so the product code with the other 2 make it unique. So if I wanted to have another egg salad for that order, then all I don't change anything about the product code, the company name, or the date. I actually just change the quantity. So I can say, actually, I want 4 of them instead. So there's another one. But the unique bit is that is the egg salad for Green Egg College on that particular date. So those 3 are the primary keys together. So what I'm going to do in here, I'm going to put those as primary keys, primary key, and then company name as primary key, and then product code as primary key. So now that becomes what's called a composite key. So we've got 3 attributes together, and they make the record unique. So that's now the first normal form is completed. So if I just delete that out of the way, so what I don't want is that anymore, and I want this. So there's my first normal form. So I've got primary keys. I can uniquely identify a row, and I've got very little repetition there, and that everything's grouped and so on. So that's first normal form, and that's done.